Hello everybody and welcome, and today we are going to be discussing about how to zoom in and out on Canva video. So it is actually quite simple. So you can see currently I am inside my Canva, and not only Canva, you can see I have made a project about a video and you can see it playing. So it is around 5 to 7 seconds long, actually 9 seconds, as you can see at the bottom of your screen. So right here, and you can add different effects and everything, but the thing that we want to do is zoom into our video. So a lot of people have been asking, since if you try to use your scroll, you can see we are switching between scenes. We have page 2 and page 3 and we are switching between those, but we are not able to zoom into our video. In other case, when we are trying to zoom in on our page using the scroll of mouse onto our, let's say we are working on a graphic or any type of logo design, it is going to be zooming in. But for this, it doesn't seem to be the case. So to fix that up, you can see at the bottom right side of your screen, we have this slider going on right in front of the time frame showing up, as you can see here. And we are going to be simply increasing this slider, and you can see we are zooming in. Currently we are set to 162%, and to zoom out you can simply do this again but in reverse, and you can see we are currently at 36% zoom. You can see the zoom highlighting as well. So that's how easily you are able to zoom in and out on Canva video. If you have any other questions, let us know in the comments below. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible to fix your issue. Subscribe to our channel and see you guys around in the next video.